Welcome back to Lorraine's channel. I want to welcome you back. Thank you for following me tonight. Tonight I did something simple as a Wednesday night meal. I did spaghetti with green peas, and I put Parmesan cheese on mine and olives, as you can see in my plate. Over here I did some fried chicken breasts. So that's tonight's dinner. So I'm going to eat it, enjoy it, and if you like it, make some for your family. Fried chicken breast. I did it with eggs, buttermilk, and flour. And I dipped it once in the flour, then I dipped it in the egg, then I dipped it again in the flour, and also the pancake crumbs. Okay, again, that is, I correct my English, that's panko crumbs. Okay, again, I dip my chicken in, I beat it with my meat beater, and I season it. I washed it first, I seasoned it, and then I dipped it in flour first, and then egg with buttermilk mixed with eggs. Then I dipped it again. After I dipped it in the eggs, I dipped it again in the flour. Then I dipped it in the panko crust. Panko bread. Sorry about that. So this is tonight's meal. So stay blessed. Keep your loved ones close. Stay happy. I thank you for being here in my kitchen tonight with me again. I haven't been feeling well, so this is why you haven't been seeing me in any videos. When things are better said for me, better done for me, when I'm feeling better, I'm getting tongue-tied. So excuse me for messing up in my words. As again, I'm not feeling well. So thank you for following me. And continue to follow, like, subscribe, comment, share the videos. Again, thank you. Lorraine's Kitchen. Good night. It's really good, guys. Make some for your family.